fifth grade. I just wanted to pop on here real quick, and yes, I am making a YouTube video. Oh my gosh, surprise. But I wanted to hop on here real quick because I noticed at home you guys are doing a great job on the math, but there are still some things that you're struggling with. Mainly, you are struggling with how to solve a multiplication algebra problem, and you are trying to figure out also borrowing all the way across the board, which means when you have a whole dollar amount and you have to borrow and get rid of those zeros, a lot of you are really struggling with that. So I'm here to provide some examples of those problems so that way you guys can see what you guys need to do. Hopefully everybody can see the board okay. Yes, this is our new Promethean board, and I do love it. It's awesome. So hopefully you guys are able to see everything okay. So I am using my answer key from lesson 21, which was the lesson you were supposed to do today in our Saxon math textbook. You were given problem number 3 to do, which was $800 minus $487. Okay, so obviously we cannot take anything away from 0. So we need to make this first 0 a 10. In order to make it a 10, we have to borrow from this 0. But we can't borrow from that 0 because it's a 0. So we need to come all the way across and make our 8 a 7, which borrows from that 0, which makes it a 9, and then we're able to borrow again to make that 0 a 10. So you should have 10, 9, and 7 on your as your top number, and then you can subtract. So 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So you should end up with a total of $313. Okay? The next problem I'm going to show you is a problem where you have a variable, which is our unknown number, with a number and an equal sign and a total, which is a multiplication problem. So if you haven't figured it out yet, division and multiplication are opposites. So in algebra, when you have a variable next to a number, that usually means that you're going to have to do the opposite operation to find what your answer is. So, continuing with lesson 21, on number 7, just a second, guys. There we go. On lesson 27, or 21, sorry, I asked you to find on problem 7, 6n equals 42. So something times 6 equals 42. In order to find that, you have to divide by 6. You can't divide just one side by 6. You have to divide both sides by 6. So we have divided by 6 here and divided by 6 here. So all you're left on this side is n, okay? So then if you think about it, 42 divided by 6, well, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 30 is 5, 36, 42. So n equals 7. Hope that makes sense for you. Okay, one other thing I want to show you before I hop off here is when you are working with a subtraction problem with the variable. I'll use number 20 as an example. So you have 5,003 minus W equals 860. 76. When you have a subtraction problem that's written like so, 5,003 is your total. So what you are missing is what's being subtracted from 5,003 to get 876 left over. So in order to find this and to solve the problem properly, you have to rewrite it as an addition problem, like so. 876 plus W equals 5,003. Then you are able to subtract 876 from both sides. So 876, 876. These will cancel out, leaving just W. I'm going to come over here to this side just so you guys can see. We can't take 6 away from 3, so we need to make it a 13. Okay. Then we have to continue to borrow all the way across, like so. So if you guys can't see it, I have 4, 9, 9, and 13 there. So 13 minus 6 is 7, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, and then you bring down your 4. So W will equal 4,127. Okay? I have one more problem that I want to do with you, and that is problem number 23. Now, on problem number 23 in lesson 21, you have 2 3-digit numbers and then 1 2-digit number that you are adding together. So the easiest way to do this is if you pair your 3-digit numbers together first and then line up your 2-digit number with those numbers. Let me show you. So we have 382, 182. And then over here in my tens place, I'm going to write the number 96. And as I said, this is an addition problem. So your numbers should look like this when they're all lined up, okay? So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10. So you're going to write your 0 here. Then you need to regroup or carry over that 1 to the tens place. A lot of you guys haven't been doing that, or if you have been doing that, you haven't been doing it correctly. You've been shifting it over too far. So make sure that you are lined up in that tens place when you carry over that 1. So 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. So you're going to write a 6 here, and then you're going to regroup that 2 all the way over in the hundreds column for that 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So you will end up with an answer of 660. I hope that helped clarified some things. Remember that I am available on Class Dojo if you have any questions and you need to clarify some information. Have a great day, guys. Miss you.